Welcome to YCAD Wonders. I'm Ganesh from Bangalore and I teach mathematics. Whatever be the chapter that a student learns, I always emphasize on the importance of learning the concepts thoroughly. By thoroughly, I mean clearly without any ambiguity. See, any chapter will comprise one or more concepts. To understand a concept thoroughly, I emphasize on three important aspects. First one is basics or fundamentals. See, whatever be the concept you'll be learning, so you should be familiar with the number system. There's natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, fraction, decimal. And if you are learning concept in geometry, then you should have knowledge on lines and angles. Also, the concepts that you have learnt earlier will form the basics for the new concept that you are going to learn. See, for example, so we are learning the concept of addition or subtraction of fractions. Then concept of LCM we should know. Okay, on the other hand, if you are learning the concept of HCF and LCM, then you should know about prime numbers, factors, multiples. Then the second concept is, the second aspect is learning the new concept. Okay, obviously for that the basics will help. So in general, any concept will be some idea, rule, formula, or theorem, or a combination of them. Okay, so if basics, if you know the enough basics, then you'll be able to understand it clearly without guessing. Yes, if you don't have the basics to understand, then you'll start guessing. Okay, that it won't help you understanding the concept clearly. Okay, again, say if it involves some formula, it's not enough just memorizing the formula. Okay, you should know the meaning of each parameter involved in that formula. Then the third aspect is your ability to express the concept which you have learnt. Okay, so you should be in a position to express correctly, verbally or diagrammatically, or in both if applicable. Okay, in fact, a concept can be expressed in multiple ways, not just one way, but each way should meet all the requirements. Okay, in short, so you should be able to make a student of your level to understand the concept. So that will show your thorough understanding. Okay, I'd like to illustrate this with one or two examples. Okay, let's say you are learning the concept of Pythagoras theorem. The concept is this. So in a right angle triangle, with hypotenuse A and B and C be other two sides, a square equal to b square plus c square. Okay, this is what Pythagoras theorem is. Okay, so what are the basics required for this? Okay, you should know what a right angle is. Okay, you should know it's 90 degree. Right angle is 90 degree. And you should know what a right angle triangle is. So right angle triangle is a triangle in which one of the angles is 90 degree. And also you should know what the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle is. Okay, it's the longest side in right angle triangle. So it can be identified by the side opposite to 90 degree. Okay, so now, so how to express in a different way? Say if suppose you have understood thoroughly, then you will be able to express properly in different ways. Suppose so you can express verbally like this: in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Or same thing can be expressed diagrammatically as follows. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Or if you take say the length as length of AB as P and BC as Q and AC as R, then R square equal to P square plus Q square. See, suppose you haven't understood the concept clearly, then so you won't be able to express properly. Say you may so express like this, say Pythagoras theorem so in any triangle with sides A, B and C, A square equal to B square plus C square. So you may state like this, so which is wrong. Or okay, you may say see by mistake you may think A square equal to B square plus C square means A equal to B plus C. Then you may say right angle triangle with sides A, B and C, A equal to B plus C. So this is also wrong. Or you can say in a right angle triangle with sides A, B and C, A square equal to B square plus C square. This is also wrong, because say suppose you take say right angle triangle, this side as A, this is B and this is C, then this is not correct. So So is this say statement should be proper. So you should use the word hypotenuse in explaining the Pythagoras theorem. Or you may simply say Pythagoras theorem is a square equal to b square plus c square. So without any mention about triangle. So all are wrong. So all these statements are wrong. Okay, similarly, see it's not, okay, as I said, similarly suppose say we know area of a triangle is half into base into height. But if you don't know what each parameter represents clearly, then you won't be able to find the area of a triangle. For example, see this is a triangle, let's say ABC. So if you may say base is BC, but height, so if it's you haven't understood clearly, then you may say height is AB, or you may say height is AC, or you may say height is the straight line, length of the straight line, you will say from A to the base, see this line. See again, these are all ambiguous statements. See straight line, this is also straight line, this is also straight line, this is also straight line. See many straight lines can be drawn from A to BC. So which one is the height? See, not clear, isn't it? So you should know height. Another thing, suppose I ask, so can I take any other side as base? So you may say no if you are not clear about it. So in this case height is, see if BC is base, height is from the opposite vertex you need to draw altitude or perpendicular to the base. So length of that altitude is the height. So suppose you call this point as D, then area is half into BC into AD. Okay, so in fact any side can be taken as the base. So suppose you take AC as the base, then from the opposite vertex, that is B, draw perpendicular. So this length is the height, let's say E. So BE is the height. So half into AC into BE. Similarly, if you take AB as the base, then height will be, okay, from opposite vertex C, draw perpendicular to the base. Suppose you call this F, then area of triangle is half into AB into CF. Okay, so this is how you should understand the concept. So okay, in fact mathematics is the easiest okay, subject where you can score is the subject where you can score marks easily, because you need not memorize much. See, every chapter will have concepts which runs to just one page. You just have to understand that thoroughly. So that's enough to solve any problem in that chapter. See, unlike other subjects where you need to memorize many pages of information for every chapter. So if you are familiar with the concepts, then say whatever be the problem, whatever be the question asked, you will be able to answer, whether the question can be from your textbook or from some other book or from some other syllabus or some other question downloaded okay, from internet. So whatever related question you will be able to answer if your concepts are clear. Okay, so okay, for example, a chapter can have maybe can have 100 questions, or say new questions can be generated. More than 100 new questions can be generated. So see, it's not that you won't be able to solve all the problems, but if you understand the concepts clearly, any questions can be answered. So without any confusion, so you'll be able to answer easily, comfortably, or confidently. Okay. So do you think I have solved all these problems? No, but I am confident that I will be able to solve any problem because I am thorough with the concepts. So same way, so if you are thorough, so you can also solve problems confidently. Yes, if I am able to do, why can't you? Yes, you can also do wonders. Thank you.